Hi guys from the Thoughtful Gardener. So we're required to wear masks inside here in the conservatory in Longwood, but I just wanted to show you a few things that they've done this year that I think are really amazing that you could potentially incorporate into your garden and your Christmas decorations. So you see this first tree behind me is got a lot of poinsettias as part of the decoration. I think that's extremely clever. So I think you might consider using fresh flowers on your tree. And I'll share a picture later where I saw they did the same thing with succulents. It's really a neat idea. I have to say next year that I'm going to be tempted to force Casablanca Lilies. The smell of this, even through an N95 mask, is pretty darned amazing. And you can see how they've combined that. So this is only going to work inside this time of year. So if you grow Casablanca Lilies outside, clearly that won't work. You'll need to try to force them inside, but it's worth giving a try because the smell is magnificent. I have successfully been able to get Euphorbia to overwinter for 2 seasons now. It does really well, but they've actually trained them almost into a bush form. Mine has trailed over the side of pots now for a couple years, but look at the color and the movement of that. I just think it's really lovely. In terms of pot combinations for indoors, I thought this was a really great idea. So you can see that they use calantio here, as well as they have forced some traditional Christmas time indoor forcing bulb flowers. So it's a really nice combination with some painted white twigs. I think this one's completely doable. So this is a lot of fun. This is not a tree that you would necessarily consider a Christmas tree, but it is working for me. Magnolia Tree inside, which is really fantastic. This could go outside. We have some native magnolias here in Pennsylvania, and this could easily make the transition from in to out. So if you were thinking about being eco-responsible and wanting to bring a tree in for Christmas, clearly the magnolia could be a choice. This is another nice combination of the amaryllis and the white poinsettia and the beautiful red berries of the winterberry. Again, these winterberries are crucial to our wildlife this time of year, and you definitely want to bring those outside. Now, if you were a Christmas bride, this would be one heck of an aisle, wouldn't it? The beautiful red poinsettia, the beautiful combination of the white poinsettia with the red amaryllis, and then culminating into Christmas trees. But look at those poinsettia trees. Are they not amazing? And you can see that people just can't keep their eyes off the main attraction here, which is really just the beautiful poinsettia and Christmas trees.